Hey gang, welcome to another Imperfect Produce unboxing. Now, I am hoping that my voice will hold out because I just got back from Vegas and seeing Duran Duran 2 nights, so you can imagine all the screaming. But this is what I'm going to be hashtag cooking ugly with for the next week or so. So let's find out what's inside the box, all kinds of goodies. So when you hashtag cooking ugly on the Imperfect Produce, even if you're not a subscriber, they will donate 5 pounds of produce to a food bank in your area. So you can do a good deed. So, okay, let's see what I got in here. Okay. I have an awesome leaf lettuce here. It's going to be so yummy. I'm going to make some salad because I also have some glorious organic kale. Yum, yum, yum. So we're going to have a little kale. Then, oh my God, they call these slicer tomatoes. And I got them because they said slicer tomatoes. And I was like, oh my gosh. They're from Ohio. They're organic. So that was another that's another thing. They tell you where the produce is coming from and why you're getting it usually. Like if it's a surplus or like discoloration. I just found a random leaf of lettuce. Then we have some green peppers, some green beans, a couple lemons, some oranges, get that citrus. Oh, I'm excited about this. Usually when I get apples, they're red ones. Granny Smith's. I love Granny Smith apples. Then I got sweet potato, just one, just a little bit. And then every now and then, Imperfect Produce has non-produce items, or they have like really discounted. So, oh wait, one more produce. I got me some champignons. No, they're mushrooms. They're called Bunapi mushrooms. They're organic. So we're going to have some mushrooms. Maybe a little pasta. So anyway, this was like the discounted item. I got these for only $1. They're organic roasted pumpkin seeds that are toasted coconut. So just pumpkin seeds, coconut, cane sugar, and a little pink Himalayan sea salt. Perfect little snack there. And then you can also get non-produce items. I got these beans. They're called borlotti beans. And they're fully cooked, ready to serve. They're supposed to be good in salads. They're from Italy. And yeah, I'm excited to try them. They're like pink and white beans. You know how I love pink. So anyway, that is my Imperfect Produce Box, which the boxes, they actually recycle them now. So they take the old, like you can turn in your old box and then they'll give you your new box, obviously, with the produce. But they'll take the old box to use to box the produce they donate to the food banks. I usually keep mine because I cycle them out as cat toys for my cat. Because after she's played with it so long, she decides to chew on it. And I'm just like, eh. So, that is my Imperfect Produce. That's what I'm cooking ugly with. I'm going to go rest my voice and everything. And I will see you next time. Bye.